नमस्कार. RDX गोवाच्या कोंकणी खबराचित्रांत तुमकां सगळ्यांक दिपाली नायकाचो येवकार. पास्कांची परब खुणायता येशू क्रिस्ताचो आपल्या भावार्थ्यां पासत मोग. पास्काच्या परबे निमतान गोंयच्या जनतेक गोंयचे आर्च बिशप फिलीप नेरी फेर्रांव हांच्यांनी संदेश दिला. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
With deep joy, we celebrate Easter, the great feast of the resurrection of our Lord Jesus. As we celebrate Easter, once again we are made to experience the great love of God our Father for us and His marvelous power in raising Jesus from the dead. We must rejoice because Easter fills us with hope. Jesus conquered sin and death, and with His power, we too can conquer sin in our life. We rejoice because once again we are made to experience that we are not alone, that we are not to live our lives in isolation, but that our lives are to be lived with Christ, continually dying with Him to sin and rising with Him to newness of life. May you experience during this Easter season the powerful presence of the risen Lord in your journey of life. I wish each one of you a truly joyful and grace-filled Easter season.